Now I am trying to change myself than the society through work. We have worked different. At first we started the community development through community resource. Last 24 years, without national or international support, we have done such things. Like the education, infrastructure, we have given some land to the government of India for set up a Jor Navodaya Vidyalaya. We have planted 140 kilometer roadside plantation. Everything without active support of the national or international support, without. So, this is, if you ask me about the impact, how I am thinking, it's very difficult to change the society. Now I am feeling, I am trying to be quiet more. Regarding the system, I am thinking everything.
Okay.
We are doing, at present we are microcredit program, microfinance. We are collecting savings from the public and we are giving loan to the poor clients or the small and rich man.